Hello, everybody. It is your global voice, Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach. I'm going to do something different today, as I do every day on 600 plus videos. You kind of run out with ideas, but I thought of this idea that really resonated with me. And if I will, I am going to read a quote, a portion of a speech that truly resonated with me. But before I do, I want you to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join me on all my platforms for upcoming events, announcements, and projects coming down the pike solely and collaboratively. I remember in 1999 when we were all preparing and the hype of the year 2000, Y2K. And for those who've been with me for a while, you know I'm not the traditional girly type. So I remember going to the movies and watching one of the most powerful motivational movies that I've seen in a long time. And it is Any Given Sunday with Michelle Pfeiffer, Al Pacino, and so much more. And it wasn't until towards the end of the movie, spoiler alert, I'm going to reference a quote. So if you haven't seen it, you can fast forward and I'll put the timestamp in the description on the lesson thereafter. So Al Pacino presents this quote, and I'm going to read just an excerpt of it. And he says, I quote, I mean, he says, in either the game of life or football, the margin for error is so small. I mean, one half step too late or too early, you don't quite make it. One half second too slow or too fast, and you don't quite catch it. The inches we need are everywhere around us. They are in every break of the game, every minute, every second. I'll take a few moments and I'll read it one last time. Because in either the game of life or football, the margin for error is so small. I mean, one half step too late or too early, you don't quite make it. One half second too slow or too fast, and you don't quite catch it. The inches we need are everywhere around us. They are in every break of the game, every minute, every second. Welcome back for those of you who wanted to skip the quote and watch the movie for their own point of reference. I cannot tell you how this portion of Al Pacino's speech in the movie Any Given Sunday has resounded the loudest in my ear over the past couple of days, weeks, and months. It is one thing to want to help change another's life, but it is another on a whole different plane when you are working on changing your own. This journey of entrepreneurship, these decades of self-awareness and self-discovery, professional and personal development, have been all learned from failures. And what I've discovered today, after the last 48 hours of the constant roller coaster of significant heights and drops, lulls and excitement, surprises and disappointments, I really have to maintain my steps every inch of the way. My traditional personality back then was of perfectionist, type AAA if you will, people pleasing, dotting my I's, crossing my T's, worried about what everyone is going to think, judge, perceive, observe, witness, and say about me. But I'll tell you what, after a decade or more of failures, nothing can stop me now. My opinion, my belief, my thought, my faith, my trust in myself is what matters most. And as a woman of integrity, a woman of passion, purity, and sincerity, to come from absolutely nothing to sitting here upon you this summer's eve, being the global voice, being transparent, being honest, sharing my wins, grins, fears, tears, scars, and raising the bar. I am sharing with you every single day. Every single day. Over 600 plus days now I've been with you. I am here. I am sincere and true and dear to my heart. And when I reflect on this speech, the margin for error is so small. What are we focusing on? Are we worrying about the past? Are we focusing on the future? Or are we living in the present? I am working on this with a group of individuals. We are walking side beside each other on this journey. I'm coaching individuals. I'm speaking at events. And I'm sharing my love unconditionally with you. Look at your life inch by inch. Be mindful. Be careful. Be intentional. And have purpose. It is truly important that we learn where we are right now. We embrace where we are right now. And we evolve from where we've been. It's not easy. It's frightening. It's scary. It's a lonely place. But as the great Zig Ziglar says, if you help enough people get what they want, then you will eventually get what you want. Paraphrased, of course. I have been graciously privileged, blessed, honored to be where I am today. To have an ambience of this as my remote office. To connect with you on all four corners of the world. Sharing a story of fear, abandonment, hopelessness, and lost. And now sharing my life of successes. If I can do it, you can do it. I believe in you. I love you and I trust you. I open the lines of communication to connect with me, to get you out of the darkness, to get you unstuck, to help you find your direction, your purpose, your calling, and how to overcome the failures and shortcomings. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, thanking you for sticking with me to the end. Remember, bringing you daily content every single day, reminding you to always, every single moment, choose to press play. Plan life according to you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I thank you. Be safe, be well. I'll see you in the next video.